Hey buddy, you just missed it. The bus to Losertown left 5 minutes ago.
Well, that's too bad. How are you gonna get home now?
I feel we should go about choosing this person in a very calm, well-thought-out manner. Nosies!
What's the matter, Vulture? Chicken?
Alright.
Do you seriously think you could fit the thousands of dollars held in this bank inside one flimsy sack?
Do I look that stupid? I brought 2.
Just a second, Mom. We're having a lightsaber fight.
Just look at that murderous look in his eyes. So then I said to the guy, be careful not to choke on your aspirations.
Ooh, I call being red licorice. Black licorice tastes disgusting. Idiot, I'm red licorice. How come you get to be red licorice? Because I'm red? That's hardly a reason at all.
I got a new basketball. Let's see how high it can bounce. That is so awesome!
You hear something?
Every time one of us henchmen asks that exact question, we usually end up unconscious in the next 5 to 10 seconds.
Hulk smash like button!
Everyone not robbing the bank right now, please leave the building!
I am the Senate.
The bad news is I'm only
Serving knuckle sandwiches!
Yeah, we didn't really think about that.
This is good. You made this?